Hey there, Full-Time Freedom Team. It's Marlena Burton. Happy, healthy, prosperous 2022. Oh my goodness, if you guys start 2022 like you finished 2021, it's going to be an absolutely amazing year. So the plan is to start a 2K challenge, and just ask yourself this question. Would it be okay if you could earn an additional $2,000 a month from the comfort of your home or phone? Can you accept as true that an additional $2,000 a month is possible for you? And then are you willing to be teachable and coachable to help 2 to 10 people as soon as possible? So if you answer yes to all those questions, make sure you get back to me and let's get you started as soon as possible. So my number is 618-223-6006. There are no income or earnings guarantees. You create your own financial reality. And guys, oh my goodness, you would not believe what's happened in my life in the last 24 hours. From a dominant, non-resistant thought. So you just have to renew your mind to transform your life. So guys, let's connect as soon as possible. Have yourself a wonderful day, and happy, healthy, prosperous, and I do mean prosperous, 2022.